Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Infura, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Visit the Infura website at infura.io. Look for the sign up button on the homepage. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Re-enter your password to confirm it. Select your country from the drop-down menu. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Infura. Open the verification email and click on the provided link. You will be redirected back to the Infura website. Log in using your registered email and password. On your dashboard, you'll see a button to create a new project. Click on the Create New Project button. Enter a name for your project in the provided field. You may also add a description to help identify your project later. Choose the Ethereum network you plan to use, like mainnet or Ropson. Click on the Create Project button to finalize. Now, your Infura project will be created, and you'll see your project details. Note the project ID and the project secret, which you'll need for your application. Congratulations, you've successfully registered with Infura and created a new project. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.